It's a matching problem of 2019 JEE. Let fx is equal to sine pi cos x and gx is equal to cos 2 pi x be two functions defined for x greater than 0. Define the following sets whose elements are written in increasing order. Just like that, x is equal to small x maps fx is equal to 0, x is f dash 0, y is equal to that, and w is equal to. But here list matching list, left side x, y, z and w, and right side some options. Getting to the problem, at first I am your guide Smita Ghosh, starting to solve this problem. That what is your x? What is our x? X is equal to our x. At first, number one option x, and x is equal to that. X is equal to small x, fx is equal to 0. Therefore, x cos x as fx is equal to sine pi cos x. Therefore, pi cos x is equal to n of pi. That implies cos of x is equal to plus minus 1 comma 0. That implies x is equal to n pi by 2. As x is equal to n pi by 2, then our option first, it is subset of pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi, 7 pi, and q and arithmetic progressions. Therefore, option 1, it has two matching option, number p and number q. Now moving to y. Moving to y is equal to x, f dash x is equal to 0. Set. Therefore, cos of f dash x, fx is equal to that. Therefore, f dash x is equal to cos of pi of cos x sin x, cos x sin x is equal to 0. That implies pi cos x is equal to cos 2n plus 1 by 2 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That implies eliminating pi both sides, we get x is equal to n of pi. That implies cos x is equal to plus minus half. Next one is equal to cos x is equal to plus minus half. It is our first option. Cos x, as cos x is equal to plus minus half, that implies cos pi by 3 is equal to half. Therefore, x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. This is our solution. This is our solution, that y is equal to here x y option y that x is equal to n pi by n pi plus minus pi by 3 and x is equal to n pi and x is equal to n pi. This is our y. This is our y option. And let's map this one. This is pi by 3. This is n pi. N of pi. This is pi by 3. This one is pi by 3. This is 2 pi by 3. This is also pi. This is pi by 3. Therefore, we easily say that it is option now getting to the problem that y is the subset of pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi, 7 pi. No, it is not the set. It is an arithmetic progression. No, pi 2 pi by 3 pi. No, it is not an arithmetic progression. Number 2 is right choice, capital R. As subset of pi by 3, 6, 2 pi, 13 pi by 3. No, S, T and U are not applicable with option 2. Now moving to option 3, our Z. Our Z is what? Our Z is equal to x, g of x is equal to 0. Z is equal to therefore 2 pi of sine of x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Eliminating pi both sides, we get sine of x is equal to 2n plus 1 divided by pi by 2n plus 1 pi by 1 by 4. Sorry, pi, eliminating pi on both sides. Now we get x is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 as 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Now plot this one. Therefore x is equal to sine inverse. X is equal to sine inverse this. Now plot this one. This is Z. Plot this one as this is sine inverse Z. Sine inverse 1 by 4. This is sine inverse 1 by 4. This one sine inverse 1 by 4 and this one sine inverse 1 by 4. This also sine inverse 3 by 4. This is also sine inverse 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is sine inverse 3 by 4 and this one is also sine inverse 3 by 4. Therefore, option 3 is Z. Z is it is not an arithmetic progression, and it is not an arithmetic progression is the right choice because these are not in arithmetic progression. Number 3's right choice is number R, option R. This is pi by 3 subset of 2 pi by 3. It is not applicable. It is also not applicable. Now moving to our Z, option 4. It is option 1. It is option 1. It is option 2. It is option our Z, option 3, and this option 4. Moving to option 4, we get that W is equal to X maps G dash 0. G is equal to this. Therefore, our G dash, what about W? Sine of 2 pi sine x cos x is equal to 0. Therefore, that implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That implies 2 pi sine x is equal to n of pi. That implies sine x is equal to n by 2. That implies plus minus half or 0. Plus minus half or 0. Therefore, we plotting this in our axis. So we get this is our pi by 6 half, as sine x is equal to pi half. Therefore, x value of x is equal to pi by 2 or 0. Therefore, this is pi by 6. Pi by 6. This one is pi by 6. This is pi by 6, and this is pi by 6. Therefore, this is an arithmetic progression. It becomes an arithmetic progression. Therefore, option 4 is applicable with Q, right? Option, and it is also subset of S. It is right. Therefore, option 4 is applicable with Q and S. Option S. This is matching. I think this one is a very tough problem because lot of calculations done here. Lot of calculations in here. Individually, we should calculate X, Y, Z, and W, and then plotting some graphs, and then matching with list B. Then you reach your answer. That's all.